A general use of a power bank is to charge small electronic devices like smartphones, tablets, and maybe some wearable devices. Xiaomi Malaysia has sent us their top line Mi Power Bank, the Mi Power Bank 3 Pro. From the name you can tell this is not an ordinary power bank. And let's do an unboxing and see what it has to offer. Inside the box there's a power bank, of course, a USB Type-C cables, and some documents. It's a huge black power bank packed with 20,000 mAh batteries and deliver input and output charging up to 45 watts. It housed in a unibody casing with matte finishings that doesn't attract fingerprints much, whereas the tops and bottoms has glossy finishes like ceramics. There are two USB Type-A ports that offer up to 80 watt output charging, and the USB Type-C port can both give and take charge up to 45 watt two-way charging, meaning you can charge 3 devices at the same time with this power bank. The 20,000 mAh batteries or 74 working hours capacities can charge a smartphone about 4 times and a laptop once. Low current charging like a wearables is also supported. The power bank is also capable to charge laptops that support power delivery like Apple MacBooks, Huawei MacBooks, Dell XPS, and much more. They use high quality circuit chips that offer safe charging with temperature protections, input overcharge protections, short circuit protections, input-output overcurrent protections, battery overcharge protections, and also reset protections. The Mi Power Bank comes in handy when you need to work on mobiles, and all you need is just this power bank to charge your laptops and your smartphones. You can buy now for only RM189 from Xiaomi Large Mall, link in the description box below. If you are new here, my name is Joshua Wong. I do a lot of how-to, tech unboxings and reviews on these channels, and if this is your kind of stuff, do consider to subscribe. Hope you like these videos. Thank you for watching. See you guys again in my next video.